Hi guys, welcome to a very special episode of Gabrielle and Wicha's Happy Hour Kids instructional videos. Today we will be doing the birthday cake cocktail from Celebrations kit. So, very exciting. May marks 1 year that I've been producing these kits. May was the test run month last year, and I've been doing it ever since. So, happy 1 year! And this cocktail is to celebrate that. Let's get started, shall we? So, the first thing you're going to need is a glass. I'm going to use a martini glass. Next thing you're going to need is your frosting. I put a tiny bit in a little jar. You can leave it in your little thing. And you're also going to need the sprinkles. I'm just going to put a little bit of sprinkles on the other side. Alright. I'm just going to roll it through. We're just going to roll it right through. Full disclosure, if I had used a glass, this would have been a little easier. Then we're going to take our shaker. If you do not have a shaker, you can always use anything that seals. So even the mason jar I gave you, anything that can seal and you can shake. I'm going to build it in this one so that you can see what I'm doing. First thing we're going to need is ice. About a third of the way, third to half, somewhere around there. Then we're going to add our alcohol. If you do not use alcohol, you can always add water. The alcohol for this one is vodka or gin. I think vodka will work a bit better. I'm going to use vodka. We're going to use 2 ounces of vodka, and we're going to use 2 ounces of our syrup. Now for 2 ounces of our syrup. About exactly what I have, actually. Syrup for this one's a little bit thick. Now we'll add it to this one. It's the bigger one, and it goes on the bottom if you are using a Boston shaker. And we're going to put the top on, and we're just going to tap it in. Make sure it's locked. And we're going to use our technique. Flip it this way and just go back and forth. I'm going to do that for about 6 or 7. Actually, this one's bigger. We're going to do this one for 10 seconds. Unlock it. We're just going to put it down, put our hands on the side, side, which warm it up a little bit, which allow us to just push it. And it comes right off. And we're going to strain it right away. If you do not have a strainer, you can use a colander. You can just use something to push back the ice. Right. Let's give it a try. This is decadent. Like this tastes like a birthday cake. It's all the best parts. Chocolate, vanilla, the frosting, sprinkles. Oh, yeah. This is a treat. Treat yourself. Alright, well, it's a messy one. You'll definitely be licking your lips for a while. It's okay, no one can see it, you're in a mask. So there it is, guys, the birthday cake cocktail. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out what I'm doing on Facebook. Check out what I'm doing on Instagram. We'll always have last minute shout outs for new batches of pickles. I'm trying out new things. I just launched sangria jars. We already have quite a few orders for them already on our website. We have kits all the way till July announced, so you can take a look at what's coming, get excited, and maybe even pre-order a kit or two, and yeah. Love you guys. Till next time.